Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. But your word of the day today is choice. Capricorn, you have the choice to continue on your course, continue to build. This is not the time to stop nor to get discouraged. These moments are what champions are made out of. When it gets difficult and you have the choice of, wow, do I keep going? Do I stop? You keep on going, because you'll thank yourself in the near future that you kept on going, and you don't realize how close to your finishing line into your blessing that you really truly are. I choose serenity, light, and positive energy no matter what I go through. I choose happiness. I rise above fear and I direct my thoughts to God. Therefore, I'm elevated, motivated, and I'm successful. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.